In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an opportunity and contact role in Salesforce. This process is straightforward once you get the hang of it, and it can be really valuable for managing your sales pipeline more effectively. So let's start by accessing Salesforce. Once you're on the home page, you'll want to start by clicking on the App Launcher icon. This is where you can find a wide range of apps and functionalities available in Salesforce. Now, let's click on Opportunities. Opportunities help you to track potential sales and real deal progress. Once you're there, look for the New button to create a new opportunity. This initiates the process by which you can start to input details about this potential sale. First off, you'll enter the name of your opportunity. Choose a name that makes it easy to identify what this opportunity is all about. After that, it's time to select an account to associate with this opportunity. Accounts in Salesforce are records that store information about companies or individuals with whom you do business. Associating an account helps you keep all relevant information connected. Then, focus on selecting a close date. This represents the anticipated finalization date of the deal. After the close date, you can decide if you want to input an expected amount. This is particularly useful for forecasting revenue and keeping track of potential earnings. Next, if you want to provide more context for your opportunity, you can add a description. Think of it as a place for additional notes that might be helpful for anyone reviewing this opportunity down the line. Move on to select a stage. This is important because it reflects where this opportunity is in the sales process. Salesforce's stages will allow you to assign a specific milestone within your sales cycle, whether it's in the qualification phase or it's been successfully closed. If applicable, you can input a probability percentage that represents how likely you think it is that this opportunity will be completed. A probability can be valuable for sales forecasting. Afterward, you may want to choose a forecast category. This selection helps teams understand the likelihood of an opportunity being secured within a certain time frame. Once you've inputted all these details, click on Save to ensure your information is stored. But wait, there's more. Now that your opportunity is created, you might want to add contact roles to it. Begin by clicking on Show More Actions and select Add Contact Roles. Here, you'll be able to search for a contact that you wish to associate with this opportunity. Choose your preferred contact to connect them. After selecting, click on Next and then Save to finalize the association. And that's it. You've successfully created an opportunity and added contact roles in Salesforce. This setup makes it much easier to track, manage, and develop potential business deals. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more useful tutorials.